Let us solve this Irodov problem number 1.68. At the moment t equal to 0, the force F equal to AT is applied to a small body of mass m resting on a smooth horizontal plane. So what is the question? At t equal to 0, a body is resting on a smooth horizontal plane. So u equal to 0. A force of magnitude A into T is applied on this block having mass m. Now remember that this plane is frictionless. Okay. The permanent direction of this force forms an angle alpha with the horizontal. The force Ft have variable magnitude, but its direction is constant and direction is making angle alpha with the horizontal. We have to calculate the velocity of the body at the moment of its breaking of the plane, the distance traversed by the body up to this moment. So let me see the figure. Then we decide what we have to find. This is the figure. The force F is acting in this direction. So there is a component of this force, one in this direction having magnitude F cos alpha and other have magnitude this F sin alpha. The value of F increases with time. In the question it is given that F equal to AT, where A is a constant. Now mg will act in this direction and normal in up direction. Now what happens when this force increases, the value of n decreases. There is a time when this n becomes 0. After that this block starts moving in upward direction. So we have to calculate the velocity of this block when block lifted the plane, that is normal is 0. So this is the time t0 and this at this position s is 0. Now we have to calculate velocity of block and the distance or displacement is not, both are equal when normal is 0. So how to solve this? First we have to calculate the time when normal is 0. So the equation is n plus at sin alpha should be equal to mg. Now the time when n equal to 0 is t equal to mg divided by a sin alpha. So when block have this condition, the time t is mg divided by a sin alpha. Alpha is constant. Alpha does not changes with time. Okay. So now we have to calculate the velocity v naught and displacement s naught. For that we have to use the equation because force is variable. Force is not constant. So the total force in horizontal direction. So the total force in horizontal direction is at cos alpha. So the acceleration in horizontal direction, acceleration W is at cos alpha divided by mass m. Now I can write this acceleration as dv by dt. It should be equal to at cos alpha divided by m. So dv equal to a cos alpha divided by m. This part is constant into t dt. To find the velocity or equation of velocity, we have to integrate this part. So at t equal to 0, body is at rest, so u equal to 0. At any random time t between this situation, velocity is v. So v equal to a cos alpha divided by m into t square by 2. So this is the equation of velocity. So I write the equation of velocity is a cos alpha divided by m into t square by 2. Now, if we further write this equation as ds by dt should be equal to a cos alpha divided by 2m into time t square, then ds equal to a cos alpha divided by 2m into t square dt. Integrate. So at t equal to 0, particle starts from 0 and any random time t, let the displacement is s. So after integrating, I got the equation of displacement. The equation of displacement is s equal to a cos alpha divided by 2m into integration of t square is t to the power 3 divided by 3. So this is the equation of displacement s. So s should be equal to a cos alpha divided by 6m into t to the power 3. Now we have to calculate the value of v and s when t is this number. So just put the value of t into these two parts, you got the answer. So the velocity v naught equal to a cos alpha divided by 2m into square of time. This is the time. A square of time means m square g square divided by a square sin square alpha. So 1a will cancel out this 1a, m should be cancelled out with this number. So v naught equal to m g square cos alpha divided by 2a sin square alpha. Now for displacement s naught should be equal to a cos alpha divided by 6m into cube of the time. This is the time. So cube of this part is m cube g cube divided by a cube sin cube alpha. So cancel out which is possible. M and a is cancel out. So the answer is s naught equal to m square g cube cos alpha divided by 6a square into sin cube alpha. So this is the two answer which is asked in question.